Good afternoon, everybody. I have the Nasdaq Composite daily chart, and I just want to show you that we're going into a major earnings season. All the big tech companies that you know that we cover personally are going to be reporting that earnings. The problem is the Nasdaq hit a 52-week high over here with this summer rally going. And now that we have pulled back, there's another piece of it that you need to know. And let's go ahead and take this up from June 4th. And I'm going to take this trend line, I'm going to put it right here. And it's going to go, this is going to be perfect. It's going to be right there. That is where that resistance is. This is where that lower trend started. This is where, when we had dropped down and pulled back, that we ran up 4 days to make that 52-week high. And now we're down here. This particular line is going to be a very major support level for the Nasdaq Composite and the Nasdaq 100. I can tell you, as everyone knows, every 90 days we go into quarterly earnings. We will be covering all the option trades that we do. You're going to get the after hour updates that will show the results in real time. If I were you, you should think about not being in front of some of these earnings if you're an individual who is actually watching what I'm doing here with the Nasdaq Composite. And we are going into the earnings at a very high priced market, and that stocks are going to have problems. Netflix dropped like a rock last week when we did it. And, so goes Netflix, so goes the rest of the earnings. We'll right along with it. So we're going to be here. We're going to take advantage of it. You can see this one line right here. That is the NASDAQ 100 and whatnot, and it's going straight up. There's your arrow. There's that reversal that we only have a 1, 2, 3, 4 days. So when you go across here, this is going to be the trend line. But let me tell you, once they start reporting, you've got Amazon, Google, you got Facebook, you've got CRM, you've got all kinds of big bellwethers, you've got Priceline, you've got ISRG, you've got AutoZone, you have GOOG, you have ROKU that will be coming out, NTES, a whole lot of them, and they're going to be coming out big. So, what I always tell people, if you don't have the experience and you don't know how to manage the money correctly, and you're only one-sided to the market, meaning that a risk management that we would have you do is that you would get down below the market with put options in case it drops. At least you're not going to lose all your money. But even then, you're going to need to know how to do it and whatnot. Take the free 5-day trial, 702-685-0772. We do know that people do watch the channel. Everybody knows this. We have 11,000 traders worldwide, subscribers and whatnot. And we're just giving you a warning. And they're coming out big this week. Big time.